Whisper by OpenAI is a type of AI technology that deals with converting spoken language into written text and vice versa. Essentially, it listens to what someone says and then writes it down, or it can take written words and speak them out loud. This technology is used in a wide array of applications, helping bridge communication gaps between different mediums of information. For example, when watching a foreign film, you might rely on subtitles to understand what's being said. Whisper acts like a super-fast translator and transcriber, listening to the dialogue and providing you with written text in real time. Or, when you speak to a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa and it responds to your request, it's using technology similar to Whisper to understand your spoken words and convert them into text that it can then process. In pop culture, this kind of technology has been imagined in many ways. In Star Trek, characters use a universal translator that instantly converts alien languages into English, both in written and spoken form. While Whisper isn't quite a universal translator for all galactic languages, it works on a similar principle for the many languages it has been trained on. Think of the magical quill in Harry Potter that takes notes for the students during class. Whisper is like a digital version of that quill, transcribing spoken words into written notes. Or consider Tony Stark from Iron Man talking to Jarvis, and Jarvis writing down Stark's spoken notes or commands. Whisper is the real-world technology that performs this kind of task. Another way to see Whisper in action is through closed captioning on television shows, where the dialogue is displayed at the bottom of the screen so viewers can read what's being said. This is especially useful in noisy environments or for those with hearing impairments. Beyond entertainment, Whisper is valuable in practical applications. For instance, in business meetings, it can transcribe the conversation, ensuring accurate minutes are kept. For journalists, it's like having a personal assistant that can transcribe interviews instantly, saving hours of manual work. In terms of converting text to speech, Whisper-like technology allows for the creation of audiobooks from written text, giving a voice to stories and making them accessible to those who prefer listening or have visual impairments. Imagine a narrator in a documentary reading out loud the letters from historical figures. Whisper can provide a similar narration but generated by AI. In essence, Whisper and similar technologies act as bridges between the spoken and written world. They enable seamless communication across languages and formats, making information accessible to a broader audience and in various contexts, much like the futuristic devices and magical items we've seen in films and books.